Okay. The bulk action screen is a very powerful screen, and it allows you to process in bulk across the entire system. So when I go into the specific area, you'll notice that it says action types. So these are the different areas that you can process on. Payslip would be for your once-off changes. Anything that once-off reimbursements, etc. You can do all those types of things from the payslip screen. Recurring, if you're going to be making changes to the recurring items on component level. And then here you've got access to all your more HR type screens. So if you want to go and effect changes on the basic profile or asset registers, or upload notes and reminders in bulk, make pay rate changes. So when it's increase period, you can apply percentages or amount increases, and then adding employees in bulk. So very useful. You don't want to add employees one by one if 20 new people start. You would want to be able to do that in bulk, and this is what the system then allows you to do. If I go to a specific area, you'll notice that the moment I click on the action type, it will update the headings over here, which are then related to the action type that I selected. And from there, I can now go and select various tabs and information slots to give me the information that I want to review. If I want to see all the employees in my company, I click on that icon, and it will pre-populate all these different fields with all the employee-related information in the system. It's currently showing 10 results per page, and there's 24 pages. So you might want to increase the results to say, I want to see 20 people per page, and you'll see it reduced that number to 12 there. Or maybe you're looking for very specific employees in your company. I'm looking for people that last names start with a B, and within that search result, I'm only looking for employees that are male. So there it gives me all the employees that are male with a last name that starts with a B, and I can now start effecting changes in the system. The moment I make a change on a specific field, it will indicate with a green box that that field has been changed, and I can go through all this information and update whatever I need to. If I'm happy with those changes, I can click on save, or I can just disregard those changes from there. You can also export this information into another file format. So if I wanted to pull this through to an Excel template, complete it offline, and then upload into the system, it also enables you to do that. So there's my selection that I made, and now I can go and update this information. So maybe the marital status have changed. This person is now divorced, single, whatever. So you can update this information, upload it into the system, and that will then affect those changes in bulk in the solution. Okay, so that's in essence your bulk actions. Reports, we've had a look at the different types of reports, the analytical reports. Org chart is one of those add-on modules. And what it does is it gives you a visual representation of your organizational structure. So any change that you effect in your company will then pull through to this specific module, and it will show you those different visual elements to it. So you could then start building different templates that will give you an indication of maybe people that are eligible for retirement, or a template that only indicates your female employees, or one that only shows your male employees. So a lot of companies start using this to make decisions on a strategic level, and it also saves a lot of time and not having to update these charts in PowerPoint or in other types of solutions, because it's instant. It automatically updates.